Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary. I'm going to just show you what I eat most lunches on the Starch Solution diet. And the reason I do this is because it's really fast and it just does the need. I'm cooking right now in the microwave a pouch of vegetables purchased at Sam's Club. The directions say 5 minutes. I found out 6 minutes is just perfect for me. I leave it in the pouch, it cooks in the pouch, and then I put it into a bowl, like so. A bowl like this, and then I decorate it. I may use other vegetables, or I may use, in this case, I'm going to be placing some avocado salsa. Now this is really delicious, but it's also very hot, so if you have a problem with heat, you might not want to get it. What's so cool about this product is it has no oil. The ingredients are tomatillos, avocados, water, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, lime juice, sea salt, garlic. There's not very many things that you can buy at the store that doesn't have oil in it. I mean, you have to really research it. And this is a winner. I've been using it, baking with it. I make salads with it. And today I'm making my lunch. We're also going to add some green beans. I got these from Sprouts. They're really fresh. We'll cut them up. They'll be a little bit raw, but I like raw and cooked textures when I eat. We may also add a little bit of, you know what this is, right? A pineapple to it. Just a little bit. Just so I have a little bit of flavor to it. Now when you're finished with your pineapple, plant this in the ground. You lose some of the leaves, but this plant will come back. Now, whether it'll ever give you a pineapple, I don't know that. But I do know that they do make an interesting plant in your garden. Okay, so let's get started.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Okay, so what you see here is the green beans that I got at Sprouts. But what's really cool are these are French purple beans that grew in my garden. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple ends off, like so, and then we're just going to cut these up, bite-sized pieces, and throw them on top. Now, what the funny thing with French purple beans is when you cook them, they go back to being green. But they look really cool when you're picking them up. You see now, you've got the greens and the purples. So that's it for that. The next step we're going to do is we're going to open up our bag that we've cooked for 6 minutes. Now this is, so this is broccoli Normandy, and it has in it a blend of broccoli, florets, cauliflower, orange carrots, yellow carrots. Okay, so just a block, and then it's flash frozen. Oh, no, that's terrible. Okay, I use the entire bag. Yeah, and you have your green underneath. Then we're going to put a little bit of pineapple in it. This will give it a little bit of sweetness. Just kind of sprinkle it in. Try not to get those pieces. Okay. The potato is almost finished cooking. It is. So what I cook here is a russet potato for 5 minutes in the microwave. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it up. Now you could use any potato. You could use corn. You just want to get a little bit of starch into your meal. Ow. And it's hot because it just came out of the microwave. Now if you don't like using the microwave, use the oven. It'll take longer, but if you plan ahead, it'll be fine. Okay. Large bites. I like large bites. So you got your greens. If you're doing the 50-50 plate, this is slightly more than 50-50. What I've done here is I've added more vegetables. This other half potato, I'm going to eat it for dinner in another meal. I leave the skins on because I like the skins. If you don't like the skins, peel them. Alright, once that's done, then you're going to put the tomatillo sauce, avocado tomatillo sauce, over the top of it. Just like that. You can use the back of your spoon to be able to kind of spread it a little bit. It's going to give you a kick. I can tell you that for sure. But it's going to be delicious. I'm going to go to the store tomorrow and buy more of this sauce because you just can't find the really good sauces without oil in it. Wonderful. Now you're going to put this back into the microwave oven for a minute. And the reason for that is you want the juices, everything to get together. It's a really long minute today, especially when you're hungry. But you can see that this is a nice fine meal. That was the potato. Let's try a carrot. And the avocado tomatillo sauce on top imparts a really nice flavor on the vegetables as well. On the Starch Solution, I've lost 44 pounds. You can really make this work for you. And to tighten up my skin and to get stronger, I've been doing yoga. A lot of hot yoga, a lot of yin yoga, and even some restorative yoga, so that I can slowly get stronger and be a better person. Well, at least physically. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this short video about how to make a quick lunch for you on the Starch Solution diet. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon on our next video. Bye-bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.